I'm TJ Ewan from Whidbey Digital Marketing. I'm just going to go over a video of how to rank a plumber higher in your area. So basically, I'm just going to go off the cuff here. I typed in plumbers near me in my local area, and I'm just going to go down, pick one, and tell you exactly what I would do for a plumbing business to rank them higher. So just plumbing near me, sponsored. So 1, 2, 3. These are the top 3 showing in Google. 4, 5. Let's go 5 right here. Rocky Point Plumbing. And so just Rocky Point Plumbing. So overview, they have 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures. I might put about 10 pictures in there. They have pricing overview. Let's just do overview. They don't have any Q&As, so I create some Q&As targeting keywords for the local area. So we're in Oak Harbor, so you start targeting Coopville, Langley, Anacortes, things like that. But just put some Q&As in, and then Google reviews. Oh, this is the new company for Oak Harbor. That's right. So 1, 2, I would respond to all these reviews. Again, put in an automatic thing to respond to all reviews for them so they wouldn't have to worry about it, but just do that. Google likes that. Overview. And then Rocky Point. And then if they have any social media accounts, they don't have any social media accounts attached here. So if they have a Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, stuff like that, attach it into their profile. And then I would go in and create the citations for this business with a, let's see there. I would create a longer description right here with the services, and I would go in. They don't have, what services do they have? They have a website. They don't have any services, so I'd go in and create the services for their GMB, and then put in links back to, if they have a service page for their website, put in a link back to that particular service. And then just with the Google Business posts, 2 to 3 posts per week. It might sound like a broken record if you just saw my other video, but again, it's a science. There's no hidden things here. And then again, with the citations, go in, create all the citations linking back to your website with the same description, so it's good across all platforms. Your NAP, name, address, phone number is all the same. So again, I'll just drop down the Google Business citation of 100 different places you can go with the websites to create your citations. I'll drop that link below, and then that's what I would do for this one. And I bet you Rocky Point, let's just look here. I have 54 reviews, Google reviews. I bet you this one, if you did all these small things in about a week, they will be in the top 3. I hate guaranteeing, but almost guarantee it. They will be in the top 3 once you get all those things in place. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you are a plumber and needing help, or another business and you don't want to do this, you can always reach out to me. Just go on my website below and you can contact me. But yeah, I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you later.